Taseer Ilmas Sperm Grow course. Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I will explain you about the course which name is Taseer Ilmas Kasturi Sperm Grow course, offered by Taseer Dawakhana Private Limited. It is a special course prepared for the disease male infertility. In today's program I will brief you about what is Taseer Ilmas Kasturi Sperm Grow course, how it cures male infertility, why male infertility happens, its symptoms, reason of this disease, indication, male infertility types, complete detail about sperm quality and quantity. Viewers, first of all, we should know about what is infertility. Infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant despite having frequent unprotected sex for at least 1 year. If getting pregnant has been a challenge for you and your partner, you are not alone. 10% to 15% of couples in the world are infertile, and there are several hormones which affect on a person for producing a child, like testosterone, luteinizing hormone LH, follicle stimulating hormones FSH. Luteinizing hormone LH is a hormone produced by gonadotropic cells in the anterior pituitary glands in male, where luteinizing hormone LH had also been called interstitial cell stimulating hormones. Product stimulates Leydig cell production of testosterone for male. The normal range is 1.24 till 7.8 international units per liter. If luteinizing hormone LH level are below the normal range, it may indicate pituitary gland problem. The pituitary gland may not be making enough luteinizing hormone LH, which may lead to low testosterone. Follicle stimulating hormone FSH is a gonadotropin. A glycoprotein polypeptide hormone, follicle stimulating hormone FSH, is synthesized and secreted by gonadotropic cells of the anterior pituitary glands and regulates the development, growth, spiritual maturation and reproductive processes of the body. Normal follicle stimulating hormone FSH level in adult male are typically between 1.5 to 12.4 international units per milliliter. A high follicle stimulating hormone FSH level in a male may mean two testicles are not functioning correctly, while the low follicle stimulating hormone FSH level in male may indicate problem with the pituitary glands in the brain. In general, the normal testosterone range in male about 270 till 1070 nanograms per deciliter, with an average level of 679 nanograms per deciliter. A normal male testosterone level peaks at about age 20 and then it slowly declines. Testosterone level above or below the normal range are considered by many to be out of balance. There are several indications. If you have been trying to conceive for more than a year, there is a chance something may be interfering with your effort to have a child. Infertility may be due to a single cause in either you or your partner, or a combination of factors that may prevent a pregnancy from occurring or continuing. There are two types of infertility: primary infertility and secondary infertility. Primary infertility is an inability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year, while secondary infertility occurs in couples who have previously been pregnant at least once but are unable to conceive another pregnancy. As per medical research, in 50 to 60% infertile cases, male have an infertility problem. A number of causes exist for male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count or mobility or impaired ability to fertilize the egg. The most common cause of male infertility includes abnormal sperm production or function, impaired delivery of sperm, condition related to a man's general health and lifestyle, and overexposure to certain environment elements. There are several types of diseases. Viewers, semen produced in testicle. Testicles are very important in sperm production. If testicles are not working well, then it makes a problem. There are two types of testicle disease. First one is hydrocele. A hydrocele is a type of swelling in the scrotum that occurs when fluid collects in the thin sheet surrounding a testicle. Hydrocele is common in newborn and usually disappears without a treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within the scrotum. The second is varicocele. A varicocele is an enlargement of the vein within the loose bag of skin that holds your testicle. A varicocele is similar to a varicose vein you might see in your leg. Varicoceles are a common cause of low sperm production and decrease by sperm quality, which can cause infertility. Viewers, now I will tell you about the sperm disease. There are three types of sperm disease, named as azoospermia, oligospermia, and necrospermia. The first one is azoospermia. It is a medical condition of a man whose semen contain no sperm. It is associated with infertility, but many forms are amenable to medical treatment. Azoospermia's main cause is infection. It includes pus cell in semen, blood in semen, or presence of bacteria. This condition does not have any symptoms. Azoospermia is further divided into two more types: obstructive azoospermia and non-obstructive azoospermia. Obstructive azoospermia (OA) is defined as the absence of spermatozoa in the ejaculate despite normal spermatogenesis. Obstructive azoospermia is a common urologic condition and accounts for 6.1 to 13.6% of a patients presenting from fertility evaluation. Non-obstructive azoospermia. Non-obstructive azoospermia is defined as no sperm in the ejaculate due to a failure of spermatogenesis and is the most several form of a male infertility. Oligospermia is a male fertility issue characterized by a low sperm count. Other aspects of the sexual health of men with the condition are typical. This includes the ability to get and maintain an erection, as well as produce ejaculation at organisms. Sperm count in your ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I have explained, a normal sperm count is between 200 till 600 million So if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, that he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in vein, physical disturbance, anxiety and abnormal hormonal level. Now I will tell you about the third infertility disease, that is necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which there is a low percentage of life and very much percentage of immortality spermatozoa in semen. It can be diagnosed via semen analysis with vitality staining performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or alive and immotile. Because of this, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. Reason, there are some conditions required for pregnancy. 50 to 60% of active motile. Good health is essential for both men and women. Male semen has normal sperm count after every 72 hours. Men should produce 1.5 to 5 milliliters semen. If a person is not meeting this given criteria, then he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. When a normal person ejaculates, then he releases 200 to 600 million of sperms. If he has 50 million or less than 50 million active sperms, then he is not able to produce a child. In mathematical expression, we have a formula: 200 divided by 75% is equal to 150 million active sperms. 200 divided by 70% is equal to 140 million active sperms, and 200 divided by 60% is equal to 120 million active sperms. Viewers, a man can produce 50,000 sperms in a minute, 72 million in a day. These sperms get mature in 84 days. Infertility may be occur because of different sperm diseases. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946, and you can recover from all these diseases by using Taseer Almas Sperm Grow course by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbal and free from any side effect. Doctor and scientists of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, worked under the supervision of Hakimo Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakim with prolonged research. Taseer Almas Kasturi Sperm Grow course is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Taseer Almas Kasturi Sperm Grow course is prepared under the medical principle and proper scientific methods with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Taseer Almas Kasturi Sperm Grow course cures azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus cells, infection, hormone level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of the semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection, and start producing sperm, where person will be relieved from all infertility disease. Increase HGH hormone level, follicle stimulating hormone FSH, luteinizing hormone LH, and normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they become fertile. Extra benefits of Taseer Almas Sperm Grow course is a special course consists of 12 precious herbal ingredients, so it provides some extra benefits. Is a unique formulation, contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow, because the ingredients in Taseer Almas Kasturi Sperm Grow course highest quality and verified or purified. Their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. And it is a multi-purpose course, so it can also boost the sexual power of the person and improves physical health. Taseer Almas Kasturi Sperm Grow course has some special herbs. Those quality is to achieve and gain of centimeter in penis length and especially the girth to help get your confidence and sexual satisfying experience, which is especially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation, duration problem, stiffness, length and width problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extracts. Precautions are: for better cure, avoid sexual relationship with partner during course and medication. Avoid eating potatoes, bean, beef, all spices and cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruit, honey, dates and fish. Don't put your laptop on your lap. It also affects your penis and makes you infertile. So avoid to do these things. Heavy alcohol use may lead to decreased fertility, and any alcohol use can affect the health of a developing sperm. If you are planning to become a father, avoid alcohol and don't drink alcohol. Reduce stress. Some studies have shown that couples experiencing psychological stress had poorer results with infertility treatment. If you can find a way to reduce stress in your life, eliminate your infertility with Taseer Almas Sperm Grow course and spend happy life with your complete family. So viewers, if you or your known person has any infertility problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer Almas Kasturi Sperm Grow course, which will cure all infertility disease and problems. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. I will see you in my next video, in which we will discuss new disease topics and its treatments. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.